All right, guys, this year so far, we have reviewed one-step equations, two-step equations, and now it's time to work through multi-step equations. All right, so in these notes that you're going to have cut and glued in your notebook, I'm going to do the left 3 examples with you in the video. You're going to do the right 3 examples on your own after the video and have them solved and ready to go for bell work on Wednesday. All right, so your goal, no matter what size equation, is to get the variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. That way we know its value. As far as a multi-step equation, there's going to be a lot going on, and there's a specific order in which you have to attack each part. So first things first, you always distribute first. You want to know what you're working with. So distribute to get rid of any parentheses. Combine like terms on each side of the equal sign. Combine like terms on the left side, combine like terms on the right side. Do not make the mistake of combining terms on opposite sides of the equal sign together. You cannot do that, you have to keep it separate. All right, once you distribute, combine on both sides of the equal side, now it's time to solve. All right, you want to get your variable on one side first, so that means moving your variable if you have it on both sides, and we'll talk about that. And then you go ahead and solve for your solution. So let's do the first example. All right. I'm going to distribute first 9 times p, 9p, 9 times -4, -36, and that is equal to 18. In this scenario, I don't have to combine like terms because on the left side, there's nothing to combine, and on the right side, there's nothing to combine. All right, so I'm just going to solve my two-step equation. I want to start on the side of the variable. I'm working my way towards my variable, which means I need to get rid of that -36 first. I'm going to use inverse operation, so I'm going to add 36 to both sides. -36 plus 36 is 0, so I have 9p is equal to 54. All right, divide both sides by 9. And p is equal to 6. All right, you can do this right example right now by pausing the video, or you can wait until the end. But pause the video, get this written down, and then we'll do the last 2 examples. All right, this one we have a lot more going on. So, like we said, we have 2 sides. We have some combining we need to do. We have distributive property we need to do. Distributive property comes first. I like to carry down anything that will not be affected by the distributive property. That way I can make sure to carry it down. So I'm going to carry down my 5y. This plus 3 is going to get distributed, so I'm going to leave it blank there. And I'm going to carry down my equals 60. All right, I'm going to distribute 3 times y. That's a positive 3y. Positive 3 times -4 is a -12. All right, I distributed. Now, if you notice the difference between the last problem, I have some like terms that need to be combined on that left side. So I'm going to combine those. Remember, the sign in front of them goes with it. All right, so I have 5y plus 3y, that is 8y, minus 12 is equal to 60. All right. So now I just have my two-step equation. I'm going to add 12 on each side. -12 plus 12 is 0. We have 8y is equal to 72. Last step, we're going to divide both sides by 8. And I have y equals 9. All right, again, you can do this second one right now, or you can wait till the end of the video. But make sure you get every step written down exactly like it is here. All right, one more example. I'm going to erase this so that way you can see it's not obstructed. All right, noticing these last examples, you have a variable on both sides. So pay close attention to how we're going to solve it. All right, I need to distribute first, so I'm going to carry down anything that's not being distributed. 38 plus 7k is equal to, here's where we distribute. 8 times k is 8k. 8 times 4, 32. All right, I've distributed. Now, if I look on my left side of the equal sign, I can't combine anything. If I look on my right side, I can't combine anything either, so I don't need to do that step. Please do not think that you can combine 7 and 8k for 15k. You cannot do that. They're on opposite sides of the equal sign. Now, the next step is to get the variable on the same side. So notice we have one on the left and one on the right. I like to move the smaller one over to try to keep my variable positive, but it's up to you. If I want to get rid of this positive 7k, I'm going to subtract 7k from both sides. When I simplify, 7k minus 7k is 0. I have 38 is equal to 8 minus 7k, or 1k, plus 32. Now it's just a one-step equation to solve. I'm going to subtract 32 from both sides. And I'm going to get k is equal to 6. All right, make sure you have all 3 of those examples, and then you go back and solve the 3 on the right side so you're ready for class tomorrow.